Hi. City like Delhi is famous for its cuisine. People over here are fond of or appreciate different sort of food like Chinese, Italian, Thai, etc. You must be amazed why I am talking about all these. Today's topic is Ajinomoto, which is a taste enhancer in Chinese delicacies, and it is used in chili paneer, making of Manchurian, soup, chow mein, etc. So let's go. Ajinomoto is a white crystalline substance. It is a sodium salt of the amino acid glutamic acid and is used to intensify the natural flavor of certain foods. It is also known as monosodium glutamate (MSG), monosodium glutamate. Firstly, I would like to answer a few frequently asked questions. Question number 1. What is monosodium glutamate is called in India? The answer for the first question is Ajinomoto, which is a taste enhancer. In India, it is called as Ajinomoto. Another name is monosodium glutamate. Question number 2. Does monosodium glutamate have protein? 0.25 teaspoon of monosodium glutamate have 0 gram total carbs, 0 gram net carbs, 0 gram fat and 0.6 gram proteins and 4 calories. Question number 3. Does monosodium glutamate contains gluten? No, it does not contains gluten. Glutamic acid have nothing to do with gluten. Question number 4. Is Ajinomoto is safe to eat? FDA considers the addition of MSG to foods to be generally recognized as safe, although many people identify themselves as sensitive to MSG. Question number 5 and the last question. What are the symptoms observed while consuming Ajinomoto? The symptoms are headache, sweating, face pressure or lightness, nausea, quick fluttering heartbeat, chest pain, etc. Now, I would like to tell you a story about Ajinomoto. It is from article Chemistry Today, January 2023 edition and courtesy to Indian Express. Story about Ajinomoto, how the Japanese seasoning became popular globally. In 1908, Kikune Ikeda, a chemistry professor at Tokyo's Imperial University, reached out to a pharmaceutical firm for help in commercializing a food additive that he has been researching. The story goes that while savoring a bowl of tofu in a broth made from kelp and algae, he became convinced there was another basic taste, different from sweet, salty, sour, and bitter. He called in umami, playing on the Japanese word for delicious. According to historian Sand, the company used several tactics to woo customers. Even then, it wasn't. By then, the company had refined its production process. More importantly, it had taken Ajinomoto to China. In less than a decade, the company had a Chinese competitor. Sand says Ajinomoto's Chinese maker touted its product as the national taste essence, an entirely domestic product, not the same as the import. Better than Ajinomoto and fairly priced. Ajinomoto goes global. Japanese immigrants took Ajinomoto to Hawaii and the Chinese diaspora took it to North America. But there were doubts over safety. In the late 1960s, especially in the US, consumer trust in products with chemicals broke down, fueled in large measures by food safety and environmental movements. At times, they coalesced inadvertently with some racist inclinations. Symptoms such as numbness and a fast heartbeat often came to be referred to as the Chinese restaurant syndrome. In the 17th, Ajinomoto sales fell. It has continued to have its detractors even as food safety agencies such as the US FDA have pronounced MSG safe. Thank you.